Welcome to the channel. Today is a very special day. We are finally getting some flight controls for our aviation channel. So it just arrived. I'm gonna go get the package. Let's go. All right. Yes. Oh, all right, let's open it. Sorry. Like how my brother-in-law filming, he just got home from work and he wants to relax. But we're not gonna let that happen. All right. I got this cheap knife. So, another box. A box within a box. Okay, so we don't need that box anymore. That could be like a boat later, you know? Okay, I don't know what side I'm supposed to open, so I'll start on this side. Always be careful with knives and cut away from yourself. Right? Here we go. More package. Aha! Alright, so we have the Bravo Throttle Quadrant. If I'm even saying that correct. And this should be the yoke in here. If my calculations are correct. This is pretty exciting. I've been playing with the mouse and a control from Xbox. You know what? Let me just try to take one of these out at a time because I can't. I'm sweating already. Okay, there's the throttle quadrant. And now, oh yeah, this should be the yoke. Now we can be like real pilots. God, too many boxes. I'm literally sweating. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry, gross. So there it is, 2 boxes, slightly dusty. Not too bad. All right, so throttle quadrant and the alpha, because now we're alpha flight controls. Let's what should we start with? This? Let's open this and see what it's all about. All right, goes with that nice cover. Very nice packaging, I gotta say. All right, let's see what we got in here. We got a book with some rubber tabs inside there. See? Are you recording this stuff or not?
Yes.
I got some kind of phone call. Hello? You were recording or you were?
I am.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
It's just that it's backwards.
Oh, stop recording for a second. Wait until it counts to 3.
All right.
Okay. Got the plate, some wires, and here it is. Okay. I don't know. Do you think that will fit? I think that will fit on the desk. It's not too big. It's not as big as I imagined. Wow. Looks nice. Pretty cool. It's got spring buttons here. A little for the trim. Yeah, it's not bad. Pretty cool. It's nice material. Feel that. Feels
It's
cool,
pretty
huh?
nice, yeah.
That's the bottom of it. I would say like this is pretty nice. I'm really excited to fly this thing. So I'm just gonna kind of just show you guys, you know, kind of like, I'm not an unboxing channel, so I don't know what I'm doing. I just wanted to show you guys what came with it in case you guys ever feel like ordering it. So I think these are the mounts. We're gonna set it up, and then we got to do a lot of programming to get the thing to actually work. I think, I don't know, because I'm no genius. But I've been watching videos on it, and apparently you need something like that. Okay. next one.
This has really hard time focusing.
It's probably because the back thing is busted. All right, so this is the Bravo Throttle Quadrant, if I can just pronounce words. This is, all right. I see this in videos, I think. Let's see what this is.
Cables?
Ah, that's the flight controls for your general aviation aircraft. They're kind of smaller than I imagined them to be in the videos, to give it a sample size.
And the material is kind of
Plasticky?
it's just plastic.
Yeah, but still, nevertheless, you know, it's better than using what we're already using, right?
True.
And this is the fun stuff for, like, you know, the hardcore flyers. That is the commercial aircraft. So cool. And you can turn these numbers to put whatever engine. Number 1, number 3, number 2, and whatever. And the flap and the speed brake and the flap. Flap's kind of cheap looking, but it's not bad. I say the boxes are probably more expensive than the plastic inside. But it's not bad, you know? The boxes feel nice. And here is what it's all about. The Throttle Quadrant. Ooh, now we're real pilots. Also, there's a book down here. Check before we look at that. Oh, look, there's another mountain bracket and some more stuff. I gotta pretend like I'm gonna read later. Probably won't. All right, and gear up, gear down. They say it felt nice. I don't know. What do you think? It's not that bad.
Yeah, it feels good.
It has master, caution, engine fire. Oh, so it gives you all kinds of different door, APU, start. So it gives you a lot of things that light up to let you know what's going on with the aircraft as you're trying to fly. These you can preset to anything you want, but
These?
don't do it. Not in this video. Anyway, you can preset these to whatever you want, and not these, you know what. Okay, let's keep it family friendly. Here's the thing. This one, all this on the Quadro Quadrant, supposedly they say that all of these are preset. So you have everything here, but by default, all these are the same as all of these. So you can set these to whatever you want. I think I'll set like one for brake, one for landing lights, taxi lights, yaw damper, de-icers, and pitot heat, stuff like that, you know, and figure it out. And then you can make a label and put it right up top here so you know what's going on. So, there it is. We're, I guess I gotta get to work now, huh? The next time you see this, it will be set up and we'll try using it. All right, let's get to work.
No.
All right, I almost forgot, we also have radios. Very important to have radios so we can know where we're going. Came in this package that I bought on Amazon. This is going to mount to the top of this, hopefully. In theory, that's what it's supposed to do. So let's open this up. I gotta be honest, I already opened it up just to check it out, but I'll just show you guys too, because this is gonna be another thing that we have to mount up. And then I'll show you the whole thing. Also, we got pedals coming. They're not here yet, but when they do come, I think tomorrow we'll mount them up too. So a lot of work to do this weekend. This is the radio. So it comes with a wire.
It does have the pins to there.
Oh yeah, here's the clip. So this is, in theory, I think, supposed to line up with that. Yeah, it does. And you screw that into here.
Screw that.
Screw that, bro. Okay, if I could just, oops. Okay, so that's the stuff that comes with it, if you want to show them that. And I have a wire and that. So this is supposed to I think go through here, right? And this mountain bracket, you put this in here, and then this on there. So it will look like that when it's set up. You have your radios, and you'll have your autopilot, you'll have your switches, all your trim or whatever you want to set that up as, and that would be cool. And you could stack more stuff up later on. We could put stuff up here, and also you see these brackets down here, so you can put flight instruments later on here if you want to put like a 3 stack or a 6 pack for your plane, depending on what works for you or what you want. But that's pretty cool. You can kind of customize your own flight simulator, and we've been dying to build a flight simulator on this channel since we started. So this is super exciting for me, but I got a lot of work to do, as you can see. So I guess we'll get to it. Next time you see this, it should be mounted and working, hopefully. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
But, okay, we got pedals. It's Christmas or something. Gotta watch for Pablo. Sometimes he does weird stuff when I'm not looking at him. Okay. Logitech. Once again, to save the day. Now, hopefully we can stop crashing.
It's open?
There it is. Alright, cool. Now we just gotta figure out how to hook it up, get Pablo to install some software, and then bang my head against the wall for 3 hours to figure out how to connect everything properly, and we should be flying in no time.
And make sure that you don't trip.
Let's check it out. Pretty simple. Sophia's always asleep during these unboxings, huh? Just...
Oops.
There they are. Pedals. Not too bad. I think you can adjust them. And I think this is for tightness. And I don't know, maybe to stick onto the ground if you need to do that. And this, what is this for? Some type of mount, maybe? I don't know. Gotta read the directions. What the heck does that do? Oh, maybe it's for this.
The support?
There's supposed to be 2 of them. No? Oh, here's the other one. Yeah, to make it so it doesn't tilt over when you push on it with your foot, I guess. Like that. And then you just put the screws in there. Wherever they are. They probably flew somewhere. Does this come with screws? No?
Here, in the
Oh, there's screws in
table.
it?
I
Oh,
think so.
yeah. Logitech likes to put it with the wire all the time. Really?
The system.
No, there's no screws in there. Did they drop it somewhere? Or maybe it doesn't get screwed in, does it? Or there's...
No, because it goes on the floor.
Oh. No, I think it's supposed
Yeah,
to have
this
screws.
thing. I know.
Yeah, it didn't come with screws.
It's with these things.
No,
No?
I don't think so. Because you see the holes?
Well,
Well, I guess not. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, I think I have other Logitech screws from the radios, so I'll just use that, but it didn't come with screws, so beware, Amazon shoppers. but I don't know if you'll even need them. All right. Well, I guess I'll see when this is hooked up too. But this is supposed to be like that? Or there's a screw, yeah?
That's right.
Logitech. That's the only thing I'm watching. Oh, it slides a little though. Oh, look, you can brake and slide. So you can brake and slide. All right, so now that we have everything set up, this is the flight deck basically set up here. We got our chair. Ouch, I just hit my head on the shelf over here. And the avionics. And we got our pedals down there and a little fan to keep things cool in here. It's the flight deck where I do my video streaming. We got a new headset, a new camera set up. I gotta make labels for the flight control. I was trying to make it, but it came out pretty bad, as you can see. Anti-icers and pitot heat. And we got our stack up there. Probably add some more avionics here, but that's it. I mean, we have our flight controls here. I've been using them on the stream. It's been going pretty well. I mean, I'm pretty excited about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And yeah, let's sit down here for a second and just take a look. So I set them for dual engine. Got your flaps and speed brake, gear up, gear down. And I tighten them on the bottom here. But it's not too bad, you know, for the most part. And I got the extra pieces here for when you take off the flight controls, you can change them out. Got your avionics and all that stuff set up. So we haven't flew general aviation in a little while. We'll probably have to try that again, but this is awesome. I love this thing so far. Really nice. And these are my monitors. I use these two for now. I'll probably set something else up later on. And we also hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys for that. My brother-in-law sent me this card. Pretty cool. Well, yeah, anyway, we got it set up, and we already did a couple flights with it, so it's really nice and awesome to use. This feels really well. It turns good. It's really stable. And the Logitech controls there. Not too bad though. I really enjoy using this thing, so definitely gonna have to invest in one of these if you haven't. Really awesome setup. I left some room here because I'm gonna put 3 Logitech little flight controls here and along here, so I'll have like 6 of them total to show different parts of the avionics on the flight sim. That way I don't have to keep looking at the screen and zooming in, zooming out. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So that is my setup, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was my unboxing. Not too good of a video for that, but this is my setup, and we'll be doing some flights from the flight deck here soon, so stay tuned from that on my live stream. And until next time, I'll see you guys. Dustin Mendiga, God bless, and thanks for watching. Peace.